Hello friends, welcome to our Gsm Team YouTube channel. Please wait for a while, listen to me. You can see our all video content in this channel. Every mobile, software and hardware related issue and repair your mobile I will show. Friends, so let's go started. Go to our YouTube channel, click on video playlist, see the every video and like, comment, share, and please tell me our video content quality in the comment box and hit the bell icon. Please subscribe us our YouTube channel. If you want any solution, I will make soon video. Do not miss our next update. Please hit the bell icon, subscribe our channel, because you are very important person in this GSM section. I like every GSM technician in our world. So thank you so much watching this video. Love you all. I hope have a nice day.
See our next video.